Alright, this is the elevator here at the Macy's department store at South Hills Village Mall in Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. It is a Westinghouse from 1957. It's very similar to Monroeville. It's the men's department. Westinghouse. Alright, let's take it up to 3. GAL interlock. Going up?
Yeah. 3, please.
Door does not close when you push the button. Go ahead. Very nice, older Westinghouse elevator. Again, this is from, I believe, 1957. EBCO Circle Line fixtures. And it's very much like the one at Monroeville, except this one has a bit of a different controller than the one at Monroeville. Hope nobody's here. Oh, going up? Going up? Which floor?
2. I'm gonna fit into my weight luggage, but yours, so at least you have extra space for it.
Because mine's no bigger than yours.
The one that you have is just the same size as mine. So we need a little bigger than that. One is dapat DJ ma.
Go ahead.
Let's get that big one that you see. Thank you, thank you.
Are you going up?
Yeah, why not?
Thank you.
Oh, there's one downstairs too.
No, I didn't see this.
Yeah.
Going up?
Thank you, yes. They have a family bathroom too up there.
Okay, perfect.
When you press it 3 times, you'll get there 3 times faster.
Yeah.
Well, that's odd. Usually on these older elevators, when you push the button, the door closes immediately.
No, not on these.
Or you can get stuck in here and the door will never open.
Well,
That's what we need.
Believe me, I know my elevators, and I've ridden plenty of elevators that have the door trick. Where
That's wonderful news.
you just press it and then the door shuts immediately.
Thank you.
All right, you going down?
Going down to 1.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
All right. See if we can get a look up the shaft. No, the shaft lights are off. There it goes, and that's it.